Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check updated view counts for your videos in YouTube Studio. Start from your content page, click the three-dot options menu next to any video and select Analytics from the drop-down. The Channel Analytics page opens, showing your overall performance with recent uploads listed below the main graph. Click the See Video Analytics button to drill into that specific video's performance data. The Video Analytics page loads with an overview showing key metrics like views, watch time, and subscribers gained. Click the Reach tab at the top to see impressions and views data. Click the filter icon to open the date range menu if you want to adjust the time frame. Hover over any point on the graph to see exact view counts for that date. You can also hover over the views label to see a tooltip explaining what that metric tracks. YouTube Studio view counts can take up to 48 hours to fully update, especially for newly published videos, so if your numbers look lower than expected, just check back in a day or two. The Reach tab is particularly useful because it breaks down not just total views, but also where those views came from, whether it's browse features, suggested videos, or external sources, so you can see which discovery methods are working best for your content. If you're comparing performance across multiple videos, use the date filter to set the same time frame for each one so you're looking at an apples-to-apples comparison. And that's how to check updated view counts in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.